So day one sound. So this morning I went out and I stood in the silence, but it wasn't silent. My studio has this background noise outside. I'm in a pastoral place, but even in this pastoral place, I can hear like a background noise of traffic. I started thinking about what color would this be? And it was almost like a muddy brown. So, a little disturbing. Like, oh, gosh, I never pay attention. I mean, I do. It's disturbed me in the past, and then I try to just forget about it because being in a pastoral place, I also have a lot of birds. And the birds make this beautiful melodic sound up in the trees. So I've decided here, that chaotic sort of feel of the background, sort of a muddy brown. So I'm just going to create this background here with that color. But up front, what I realized, it's almost like it had some layers to it, right? The background layer was muddy brown, almost black in some ways. But then in front, it had more of that melodic sound. And it was, if I had to put a color to it, it was like a beautiful sky blue. It was like, almost, that didn't do it, but it was like a chirp. Like, how do you get a color of chirpiness? This is going wet on wet, so it's not quite doing what I want. Birds were singing up front. What's the gesture in that? I'm going to work that for a moment and I will post a picture.